Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to your DaVita Employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in DaVita Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having this URL. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So type a username in the text field given for your username. Then type a password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text forgot password. And if you want to update your password or change it, you can do so by tapping on this change password button. Now to log in, just tap on the login button after you're done providing your username and your password. And you'll be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.